Hi, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, advanced clinical nutritionist, and inventor of ASTR. After my second cancer treatment, I used to suffer from chronic pain, migraine, headache, fatigue before I invented ASTR specialty. If you are Hey Alejandro, tell me what's going on with your neck, what's happened?
So it's been a while. I did martial arts for almost 10 years. In one of those trainings,
Mm-hmm.
I was doing judo and I was thrown over and I fell on top of my shoulder.
Okay.
And it kind of popped a little bit,
Mm-hmm.
but I guess I just iced it, put ice over it,
Mm-hmm.
but now it's been bothering me for almost 4 or 5 years.
4 or 5 years,
So-
left shoulder.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it's a little bit higher.
So how much pain do you feel from there, on there, like from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room.
So it kind of bothers me like a 2,
Okay.
but it
So 2 is constant,
constant
or it comes and goes?
comes and goes.
At worst, how much?
At worst, it's at 5 when I'm doing weights, like doing bench press or doing overhead presses.
Okay. So last 5 years, what kind of treatment you had?
I had trigger point treatments, massages.
Mm-hmm.
I done some cupping on myself.
Mm-hmm. You're massage therapist, yeah.
I'm a massage therapist.
Mhm.
They have done washa.
Gua sha. Okay.
They've done trigger point.
Trigger point.
Trigger point
release,
and acupuncture.
Okay, and acupuncture. Okay, so you almost did everything.
Yeah.
Except us.
Yeah.
So you said push-up. So I will have you go to the other end and let me know how much pain from 0 to 10. Any symptoms?
Yeah.
How much from 0 to 10 and where?
And on top of the shoulder.
Okay, stop. Where?
Right here.
How much from 0 to 10?
3.
3. Any other symptoms?
Just tightness.
What are the tightness and
Like
rate
in here.
from 0 to 10?
Like a tightness, like a 4.
So 3 and okay. So you feel it is right here. Do you have any limitation in the range of motion?
No, it just feels tight sometimes and it pinches.
So any head trauma?
I think so.
Where?
I hit my head.
Where?
Don't recall, but like around here.
You can feel the fibrosis here in this area. Fibrosis here. And I can feel the fibrosis in here with palpating. It's really any pain, discomfort, back issue?
No.
Okay. And you can see the fibrosis actually. Sorry, you don't need to press the chamber. You should choose better position. I'll answer afterward. Okay. Okay, so it's gonna feel cold, okay? Let me see. You feel it? You see that here? And so, because I felt it here too, you know what, for that, so we don't use lotion here. Any pain, discomfort?
A little bit.
Make sure you tell me, okay? Make sure it's pain-free, okay? Okay, let's turn over and around and you turn left and right. Where do you feel the tightness?
Right.
Just remember how far you can see. Usually I
Okay.
sorry. So I'm decreasing the pressure. Make sure you tell me. It's not too bad in here. Just a little bit in here. Okay. Where did you hit your head?
Well, I was younger in the pool.
Where did you hit your head? The head.
Oh, where did it hit it? Well, I think it's this side.
Okay.
And
On this side here. Oh, is that where you hit?
yeah.
You can see a little bit scar here. So, get headaches?
No.
Any other head trauma?
No, they're not.
Your head left and right, and tell me how you feel.
This place got better.
Back to normal, still feel tightness.
It was just tight a little bit.
In there, let's drink more. 0 to 10, how much tightness?
This side,
Mm-hmm.
it's like a 3.
Where?
Like in here.
You can see the tightness, you see that?
And here it's like a 2.
How much was in the side before we started?
This side,
Mm-hmm.
I think it was like a 4, 5. It's like a 3. That's it.
Is it too much? Any seizures or pacemaker or anything like that?
No.
Okay. Let's try it again. How does it feel?
Better. It's still like a 2.
Where do you feel it?
Still in this one.
You can do one more thing before the magna heal. Okay? Right in here.
Yeah.
Let me do this actually. I could not get it very well in other position. How does it feel?
It's tight.
Okay. Make sure it's not painful, okay? Too much?
I feel like the pressure, but
Try it again. How much from 0 to 10?
tightness about a 1 now.
Where do you feel it, the tightness?
Like back.
So let's relax. So nice and tall. Okay, let's drink more water. Pain or tightness, or it's gone?
A little bit tightness, pain.
Where?
The pain was still like in the neck area.
How much from 0 to 10?
About a 1.
Where?
Here.
I didn't do this spot. We'll have you turn left and right, and tell me how they feel. How's that?
Yeah.
0 to 10?
Yeah, still a 1 in here.
Let's do the push-up. And someone count.
Okay.
And let me know how you feel, where do you feel it, and any difference.
2,
19,
20.
20.
How's that?
A little better,
Mm-hmm.
but there's still a little bit of pinching in here.
Do you feel tightness or just something pinching
Like something pinching here. In the bone.
in the bone?
Yeah, there.
But the tightness that you felt it before,
It's not as tight.
it's not this time.
It's just,
So you felt it in the joint itself?
yeah, in the joint.
When did you start that pinching? After how many reps?
Push-ups?
Mm-hmm.
About number 12.
No matter what. But you were faster. Okay, my rapping skills is a little bit rusty, so excuse me for making it look like perfect. That's really good. That's my just direct range of motion a little bit, but I just want to see how you feel. It's not perfect, but we didn't have a good job here.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How's that? Yeah. So you feel better when you have it, yeah. So just tell me your experience, because you had a lot of other treatment before. Your experience comparing ASTR to what you had.
I do recommend ASTR because
Mhm.
right now I feel better. My range of motion is quicker. I can move my neck a little better.
Mhm.
Yeah, and I feel the difference.
And what's your experience about the course itself, the online and the hands-on?
So the course is great because you can go by the time you want,
Mhm.
step by step. Yeah, and all the material is given to you. You just need to read it,
Mhm.
go through the videos,
Mhm.
and take the test.
Yeah, so awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Take charge of your health today by signing up for one of ASTR's free online treatment programs. Just click the link on the screen. To become a patient or to purchase ASTR tools, click the link on the screen. If you would like to become a certified ASTR provider, click the link on the screen.